We're going to take a look now at the Jenx Dreama T-roll. So to fit the locking feet first, we just need to unclip, and then we can feed that into place. So this is going in between the mattress logs and in that alleyway. We can then unclip the other, which we will use in a second. And then we're going to fit the T-roll itself through the alleyway. Once the T-roll is in position, we can add the next locking foot. And then attach the clip. Now that the T-roll is in place, there's a few adjustments we can do. First of all, we can remove the abduction block. We simply rotate it and lift it out of position. We have two knee straps with clips either side here, so we're able to assist with strapping the knees in if required. As you can see, we have 3 foam blocks here to support any flexion we might have. If we need to adjust those, we can simply lift and then remove as many foam blocks that have to be removed, and then reinsert into place. We can then strap the knees back in just to support them in place. We can return the abduction block by simply fitting it into the centre of the T-roll and twisting it into place.